is part 2 of I f***ed up. Got the tie rod end stuck. The sleeve is stuck on the inner. We're gonna try and hook up the tie rod and crack the inner sleeve back loose, because that's also my adjustment and I need that to move. If you're just coming in on this video and you have no idea what I'm talking about, I will leave a link in the description. Oh. Small distraction. I'll leave a link in the description to go to the first video. Here we are. Man, she is really stuck. Break free though, like it's gotta move quite freely. Okay, so we got it off. That's good. I thought that was going to be a harder time than it was. Now I'm going to take a sanding pad and I'm just going to sand right over top of everything. I'm trying to, knock down all those burrs. If I have to, I'll break the little Dremel out. Hopefully it won't come down to that though. Dabble a little more quick release sauce on it. Run this up a few times. All right, I got the tie rods on, a half an inch out of each other. I'm gonna play with the camber on that side because I know that wheel is visibly tilted in and the camber bolts are sitting lower on the other side than the other. I think that's from a pothole because I don't remember having them that low. These GM non-locking cam bolts are known for adjusting themselves every once in a while. I'm gonna get the jack out next and jack up the front a little bit so that I can adjust that camber bolt without it, popping right back. So after fuddling with it for a while, I realized I don't have a 21 mil wrench. So off we go to get a wrench. If you guys have any tool storage options for the back of my truck that are relatively quiet and won't make noise, please let me know, because that tool bag is just not cutting it anymore. That's a hefty tie rod.